Hi, rapid sale buyers. We have for you today a Gehl CTL70 track skid steer. This unit has 4,600 hours on it. It has been primarily used by a private individual, kind of home use. It's had a very easy life, as you can tell by the condition of everything. Very little scratches, very little marks. The tracks on it have been replaced. They've been replaced about 200 hours ago. And as you can see, they're like new, no rips, no tears. Everything's in very good shape. It does have the quick detach large bucket on it with a good cutting blade. Everything's still again in very good shape. It does have the extra remotes up front for any attachments with controls. We'll take you inside to show you inside. There, once again, everything very clean in here. It does have a heater system in it, and it does have satellite radio, and it does have a backup camera system. It does have the 2-speed transmission in it, as well as the controls for the hydraulics. It has the light controls, and there's the hour meter. You can see 4,663 hours, and front wiper blade, all that's there. We'll show you the floors on it and the controls. Same again, everything very good condition all the way through. The seats same, no rips, no tears, no real wear marks. So we'll come out, we'll fire it up for you, we'll give you a quick demonstration, and then we'll do a walk around once we're done running it for you. And there you have your Gehl CTL70 tracked skid steer. It'll be coming up in the April consignment auction. It'll be on April 25th. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get an extra clean piece of equipment. Thank you.